Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to set up federal tax information in Gusto. Now before you can run payroll properly, Gusto needs your company's federal tax details. This ensures accurate withholdings, filings, and tax payments. So here's how to set that up. Step 1, go to company settings. Now from your Gusto dashboard, you want to click on settings in the sidebar and then choose tax setup or federal tax info. Now this is where you'll manage everything related to federal tax registration and employer identification. Step 2, enter your federal employer identification number. Now if you haven't added it already, enter your EIN right here. Now your EIN is a unique number assigned to your business by the IRS. It's required for tax filings, payrolls, and employee documents. So make sure it matches exactly what's on your IRS documents with absolutely no typos. Step 3, fill in your legal business info. Gusto will ask for your legal business name as registered with the IRS, your business type, as well as the business address and contact information. This helps Gusto file taxes on your behalf correctly. Step 4, confirm your e-filing authorization. So to file and pay taxes electronically, you need to give Gusto permission. You want to confirm that you're authorized to act on behalf of your company and review and accept the e-filing authorization forms. Now this step is really important because without it, Gusto can't submit taxes for you, so be sure to pay attention to it. Step 5 is to review and save. Once everything is entered, double check for accuracies and then click save or submit to lock it in. Gusto will use this info to calculate, withhold, and file federal taxes going forward. And that's it. Your federal tax info is now in place, which means that you are one step closer to stress-free payroll. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.